So hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss about zip command. I have already explained you, I have already shown you a video. But why we are discussing zip command? See, first we'll create a file. Okay, vi/test. This is my file. We'll put hi. This is Amit. Okay. Now how to zip? See zip test. Okay. ls test. Okay, test extension got changed. It become test.cz. But if I want to do test cat again, there is no such file because it has become zz and I cannot see the content. It is not allowing me to see the content. So how can we see a content of a zip file? One option and a file name test1 dot. This thing we can do. Again we'll get the test file. Okay, we'll do test. Okay, we are able to see, but this is not possible every time. If we have zip, again we have to unzip. Okay, so there are, let me zip this file. Okay, now it has become test.cz. Okay, how to read the content of this file? We are having cat, but cat is not working, so what you will do, zcat test.cz. See, you are able to see the content without unzipping. Still file is in zip format. Okay, but file is in zip, you are able to see the content. Now you say, this is a single line file and you are able to see. Let's unzip, unzip test. Okay, let's create a new file. Hi Amit. Okay, hi, this is Amit. I am your old friend. Today we are discussing zcat. Okay, zip Amit ls Amit. No such file because it got changed to cz. ठीक है. Now I want to see the content. If I do direct cat amit.cz, okay, it's not showing. If you want to see the content of a zip file ll amit.cz, okay, if you want to see zcat is there with file name, you will able to see the content. Okay, and one more thing, date. Okay, so if you want to see the content of any zip file, command is zcat amit.cz. You can see the content of the file without unzipping. See, file is still in a zip format. So that's all for the today's video. We have forgot about this command, so we are covering this. If I forgot any command, or if we thinking that some command needs to be explained, put in a comment box. I will make a video on that. Till then, keep practicing this thing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.